I hear you're wanting to grow on TikTok in 2021. So I decided to make a little video for you guys because I've managed to grow somewhere around 100,000 to 150,000 followers on TikTok in a very short amount of time. It probably took me about a month or two to grow to where I am now. I'm not saying that I'm the biggest TikTok star in the world, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I did because I personally think TikTok is the way to go if you're trying to promote a business or you're just a creative person and you want to benefit from TikTok in some way other than just because trust me, if I can do it, you can do it too. And the biggest reason why I wanted to make this video is because I know 2020 took a huge beating on a lot of small businesses and just kind of hurts people's financial situations in general. The TikTok algorithm changes all the time, but I feel like I have a pretty good handle on how to start growing on TikTok from zero. Literally, I started with zero. I don't have a huge following on YouTube either, so it's not like I really had that going for me. And I'm saving my favorite tip for the very last. So yeah, definitely stick around for that one because it's quite juicy. And before we get into it, I'm not trying to be like, oh my god, look at all the followers I have. I genuinely want to help you guys grow, help you guys show more exposure to your business. Maybe you're a small YouTuber. Yes, you can still do it, but you just have to use these tips that I'm giving you guys if you want to, you know, see any traction and start growing a little bit faster. Since TikTok is so popular right now and everything is super quick and like you can just scroll and everything is 60 seconds or less, and that is what is popular right now. I have seen so many different brands, so many small influencers pop off since they started using TikTok. And I don't want to be selfish over here and keep all of this information to myself. 2021 is the year for growth for everyone, and I don't want to be selfish. So I'm going to share with you guys my tips that have really helped me grow and I think will help you grow as well if you follow them. So without any further ado, let us hop into today's video. Alright, so I'm going to start off with like the more general stuff that you probably have heard before, but it is still extremely important that you do this. And the first thing I want to share is to stay true to yourself. Don't go on there and be someone that you're not, because that is very obvious to your viewers, to your followers. If you're not being authentic and true to yourself, that just, you won't have people stick around for very long because people can see right through that. So for me personally, I'm very passionate about health and fitness and lifestyle type thing, activity, and helping you become the best version of yourself. So that's what I make my videos on. I'm not going to go on there and make videos about like, I don't know, like building or like crafts, because I'm not good at that. Those things are very popular on TikTok and on social media, like little DIY crafts and hacks and stuff, but I am not good at it. So I'm not going to go on there and tell people how to do stuff like that because it just wouldn't make sense for me. This kind of goes in hand with this tip, is to make videos that are related to whatever it is that you're wanting to promote. So for example, if you're trying to promote your small business and your small business is, let's say, you sell bikinis or bathing suits, you're not going to go on there and make videos about like healthy what I eat in a day. Like that just doesn't make sense. You want it to be cohesive and just make sense to your followers so they know what to expect when they see your videos pop up on their timeline or their For You page. You just kind of want to stay consistent. So like for me, I do health and fitness. I post like what I eat in a day. I post healthy recipes, workouts, and just stuff that's related to health and fitness and healthy food and that kind of stuff. And when you're making videos that you're passionate about and something that you're talented in, it's going to come across so much more authentic to your followers and you'll stay more consistent with it as well. Obviously, you want to make videos that are engaging and entertaining for your followers, but you also want to make them something that you're interested in creating and sharing with your followers. So you want to think long-term goals. Is this something that I will still enjoy doing later on down the road? Alright, and second tip is to post consistently. I post almost every single day. Sometimes I'll miss a day here and there, and that's totally fine, but the TikTok algorithm really starts to get on your side when they realize that you're someone that's serious about posting on TikTok and you are going to be on there long term because you're posting consistently. So definitely post every day. I've kind of realized that if you post a lot in one day, it's kind of hard for the TikTok algorithm or whoever's watching your videos before they push it out. You get more lower views. I don't know if that's just me, if that's actually true, but just for me personally, I've realized that if I post multiple ones in a day, I don't get as many views on my videos. So definitely I would stick to maybe like 1 a day, maybe 2 a day, but just kind of space it out. I don't know if I'm right or not, but that's just what I've realized personally with mine. All right, next up, this one was a game changer for my videos when I started doing this, and that is to make them super engaging and make your viewers feel like they're a part of your videos, like making it a kind of their choice what you're going to do in your next video. For example, that probably doesn't make sense. For example, I make juice TikToks on my videos and I do different colors, and what I do is I have my followers comment what color to do next, and then I post their comment under my video. I'll show an example of that on the screen here, but I'll use their comment in the video, and that just kind of makes it more engaging, and it's also more fun for you because it's kind of like you're making the video with your followers, and if you think about it, that's just more fun. Like, that would be more fun for you, if that makes sense. Like, you have a chance to have your comment featured in your favorite creator's video, if that makes sense. I know it's different for everybody and what it is you're trying to accomplish and what you're trying to promote. I honestly see more response, and I feel like my audience responds better to the videos where I'm being more casual, and it feels like we're kind of like, you know, like it just makes it feel more intimate and casual and like you're hanging out with your friends. So instead of making them like super posed and all of that stuff, which is fine to do every once in a while, but you want your followers to see who you are and be able to relate to you instead of being on screen, on camera, being perfect all the time and not like relatable or anything like that. In my what I eat in a day videos, I always show like whenever I don't eat like healthy stuff or whatever, because I promote balance, because it makes it more relatable for my followers, and I don't want to like hide anything from them, and it just makes my audience respond so much better to me and what I'm posting because they feel like they can relate to me more. Alright, and next up is a question that I had and something that I kind of just like did trial and error with, and that is posting times. Honestly, it's different for everybody. I don't really think there's any rhyme or reason to what time you post your videos. I know with Instagram and YouTube it kind of matters, but with TikTok, I personally have not seen much of a difference with what time I post because it's always up there. It's kind of random whenever TikTok will post it to people's For You pages, which is where you want to be if you want to kind of blow up per se on TikTok. You want to have your videos on people's For You pages as much as possible. I have posted at all different times of the day, and I don't really see much of a difference of what time I post and like views that I get. Alright, and this is my last tip that I have for you guys. If you have any questions or you want me to elaborate more on TikTok stuff, I know I don't really post stuff like this on my channel, but I just wanted to help you guys out so that we can all succeed, get that coin in 2021. But if you guys have any more questions or you want me to make another video like this, definitely comment that down below. I'm also going to start this thing on my channel called the comment winner. If you guys comment something down below, I'm going to randomly choose one and give you guys a shout out in my next video. So definitely comment down below if you want a shout out in my next YouTube video. Anyways, so last and final tip that I have for you guys, this is the most important, and this is really what's going to help you guys grow. It's what helped me grow on TikTok super fast, and I just think this is probably the most important thing if you take anything from this video. Obviously all the other things are important too, but this one is my #1 tip, and that is to stay with the trends, but you have to switch it up and make it unique in some way, because if you're posting the same things that everybody else is posting, it's just going to become white noise in the background and nobody is really going to be that interested in it because there's a million other videos like that. So for example, what I did personally, and this is going to be different for everybody else depending on what niche you are in, the thing that really helped me start gaining traction is I did some what I eat in a day videos, which were super popular at the time when I started making them, but I said what I eat in a day as a cheerleader in the NFL. Obviously, if I just posted what I eat in a day like normal, like what everybody else was doing, it didn't really spark anybody's attention. It wasn't going to be entertaining for them because they've seen a million videos like that before. For whatever it is that's going viral right now, you need to take that part is super important, of taking the viral part but also adding your own flair to it. So like what I did, what I eat in a day as an NFL cheerleader. Obviously there wasn't a lot of videos like that out there, and just to go along with the what I eat in a day videos, I've seen a lot of people do these but they add their own flair. So like that one guy does what I eat in a day's but he eats oatmeal a lot. So a lot of people are like, how does this guy eat oatmeal all the time? So they're gonna keep watching his video and they're gonna watch it all the way through. Or someone, I don't know, I've seen a lot of these lately, like what I eat in a day as a chubby person that doesn't want to lose weight. Like that sparks your interest, so you're going to want to watch the whole thing all the way through. It doesn't have to be hard. You don't have to reinvent the wheel to pop off on TikTok. You just have to add your own flair, add your personality, and make it interesting for your viewers. You want to sit back in their spot, in their seat, and think, what would be interesting to me? What was something that I want to watch and that is eye-catching and makes me want to know more about that person or that creator or that business? So, and also kind of go along with that, sometimes it's good to come up with things that you haven't really seen before that you think would be interesting. Like, you know, you've seen those videos on your For You page that you're just like you have that question like, why is this popular? It's just so different and it has that wow factor almost, and that's why it pops off, because people are like just so interested in like, why would someone post that? But hey, it works in their favor. So I could honestly sit here and talk about this stuff for hours, because I feel like I've learned a lot from my trial and erroring with TikTok and how I've grown over the past couple of months. So if you guys have any questions or you want me to make more videos like this on my channel, I know it's different than what I normally post. I wanted to help you guys out because there's no sense of keeping all this information that I have to myself. I want to share my knowledge with you guys so that you can grow and be your best self in 2021 as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, because it really supports your girl and I can keep making videos like this for you guys. And go outside and do something that makes you happy today. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!